if you are in your 20s and still feeling overwhelmed, disorganized, or like life's moving too fast, it's not your fault. But there's the truth. One free tool could completely change how you work, plan, and achieve your goals. And in just 9 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use it to take control of your life. Today we will use Notion, the super excited tool. So, first of all, we have to write Notion on our Google and input the website. Okay. So before creating an account, I have to see the pricing section. Okay. Here we can see free, plus, business, and enterprise. There are 4 packages. The free package is obviously $0 per member per month, and here is how we can use it: free for individual usage. That means we can use only one person, and in the plus, unlimited collaborative blogs. Okay, so if you manage the basic things, you can go with the free plan. But if you have to manage so many things and so many challenges that you need to put in Notion, then you can go with plus, business, or enterprise packages. Okay, so for this tutorial we are going to use the free plan because this is enough for us. Okay, then click the login account and here continue with Google. Then here continue. Okay, here we have some options. Then how do you want to use Notion, for work or for personal life or for school? I will choose for work. And welcome to our Notion work. This helps customize your experience with my team on my own. For now, on my own. Okay, then here we ask to tell us about ourselves, then which type of work we will do in the Notion. Okay, then creative. Okay, creative projects, continue. You can choose anyone, okay, that suits your work. Okay, we will continue with the free plan, that 1000 blogs to collaborate, trial of Notion AI core, basic forms and basic sites. This is enough for us. And if you would like to install desktop app, you can go with it, but I don't like to install desktop app right now, so I have to skip this. Okay, Notion is best for calendar. Okay, skip for now. Then this is our dashboard of Notion, very clean dashboard, and here we have some options, and the most important option is the templates from the left sidebar.